Hi, my name is Wei Hao. This is my audience. Hello everyone. Today I will introduce my ideal career, new resource class designer. As an environmental student, how to make our children have a good environment is the most important subject. However, my favorite is cars. Is driving a car. We all know cars often use gasoline as fuel, which can produce a lot of greenhouse gas that does harmful to our environment. So my hobby and my goal is conflicting. Use alternative resource to fuel the car is a good way to reduce the air pollution. Therefore, I want to be a designer for new resources cars. I think if we have success in this area, it's beneficial to both humans and environmentals. I do the research when I was a freshman. After 3 years, I think it will become true. With the development of technology, more and more types of alternative energy are found by the scientists. For cars, except for the gasoline, there are many other kinds of fuels, like hydrogen, solar hydrogen, and electricity. It is a good news. However, those resources are not perfect. They still have pros and cons. If I have been a car designer as well as an environmental protector, it's my duty to solve those disadvantages and improve the advantages. Now I will introduce some professional information about the new resource class and the challenge to the designer. According to the environment about the new resource, hydrogen and electricity are somehow debate alternative energy resource in recent 3 years. As a car designer, we will choose the most suitable and environmental energy for our cars. Firstly, hydrogen energy cars. If we use the hydrogen energy as a fuel to the cars, it is necessary to change the energy demand and the emission of the vertical. Advantages. It can reduce the emission of greenhouse gas and improve the air condition. As the energy is hydrogen, the product of the energy is water, which is safe and clean for our environmental. Disadvantage. Also, water is safe and needed in the environment. Hydrogen itself is not safe enough. Hydrogen is a kind of gas that is not very stable. It may explode under some circumstances. Therefore, it is not safe enough as kind of fuel used in the car. Next is the electricity energy. Nowadays, electric cars are more familiar in our daily life. It's necessary and important to analyze the advantages and the disadvantages of it. Advantages. The first of electric cars can reach an ideal speed in a few seconds. For instance, the Harley electric car can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 4 seconds. It's very fast. The second is as an alternative energy of gasoline. It will cause a few noises because electricity cars have the quieter engine than the gasoline cars. Disadvantage. Electricity cars can be dangerous if we do not charge it in the right way. For the Harley electric cars, the compartment for the battery and the power vertical take a large amount of space and produce a lot of heat. However, for a car, a great amount of heat is dangerous. Conclusion. From the above analysis, there are already some alternative in energy resource cars to be invented. However, because each alternative resource has its own advantages and disadvantages, no one of them is widely used in our It is our duty to find other substitutes. I hope I can be the man who solves those disadvantages and invented a car both environmental friendly and effectively.